Hey everyone, it's been a while. It is the new year, so happy new year. This is it. I finally reached like the end point or like the final point of my room. Well, in this period of time anyways. I'm pretty sure I'll change it in the future. I've been recording since the beginning, right? I'm not really an architect. I'm not designer or whatnot. I just see what looks very aesthetic, then I go and buy. Like this plant. This plant here. This plant made this entire room look freaking aesthetic. Look at this. If I just put it anywhere in this room, it looks very aesthetic. Excuse me for my voice because I'm just recovering from a flu. I had a hectic 2 months during November and December. Got a chance to catch up with a lot of friends. Went through quite a bit of tough situations, and I'm sure we all have. So I'm happy that you made it and I have made it. Going to be putting more of my focus into YouTube, and also I am reaching the final semester of my university, so I'm going to be full steam ahead for that. I've got my final year project and I've got my final semester modules. I am specializing in AI, so that's going to be a whole headache for modules and exams. So let's hope I do well, right? Otherwise, let's get to it. This is so-called like a vlog. It's simple, it's quick. I've already rambled on for a few minutes. This is like an update, like the final update for my room. You guys will probably see the start to the end of this room's upgrade, and I'm gonna take you guys around the room. Hey guys, I'm gonna revamp my room. So I actually have a few problems with my room. The wall behind me is brown. A little difficult to do color grading and other stuff and lighting and all that. And it's not just this wall, the wall on the other side is all light brown. So actually it's quite an issue as well when I'm filming. I have the billboard here, which is great, which is amazing, but it causes an issue because it's really bright. So I can't really use it as well. I really want to improve the quality of my videos, and I think the best way to do that is a white wall, right? And there's also another issue with the wall. If you guys can see very clearly, I think you might have noticed in some of my videos, there's this white markings everywhere, right? So this is basically the wall chalking up. This table is gonna go because this table, first of all, it's too small. As you can see, the drawer here, as you can see, the drawer is here, which means that my leg is kind of just stuck on this side of the table where the monitor is actually on this side, right? So it's not really centralized, and it's really annoying when I'm doing work. And of course, all these things like the speakers need to go in a better location. I'm gonna mount my monitor up to a monitor arm. So yeah, I am gonna get a smaller PC. You guys can see the light there. Smaller PC so that it fits on the table better. And basically what I have to do for that PC is just I have to swap out the motherboard, swap out the AIO, which is the cooler, and swap out the PSU, and everything else I would have to find a better way to, because I have 4 storage cards in there, 2 hard disks, 2 SSDs, 4 RAM slots or 4 RAM cards as well, to give me 32 gigs of RAM. Yeah, all these items gotta go. This cabinet is going as well. There's a whole bunch of wires there, and there's a whole bunch of wires there, a whole bunch of junk there, a random monitor, a whole bunch of junk here, and then a guitar, right? So I gotta do some proper management. It is morning now, and there is no blinds on my window, so the world is able to see in. And then currently this is the temporary setup until the actual table comes in. finally the IKEA stuff is here. This is day 3 of the revamp. Alright, so I'm trying to rush things a bit because the new school SEM has started. Finally doing my final year. So got a bunch of things to do. Hashiro, no! On him, yep. Hashiro, say hi. Good boy. He's a very good boy. Ow! Okay, I also forgot to mention that I have a new chair here. I've already taken a peek at it and it looks really good. It really fits the room and the vibe, so I think I'll be keeping both chairs for now. So one will have the Ergo Tune and the other one the Royale. So this is my room, guys. Welcome. Let's go. It's all white now. All right. Yeah, it's a bit hard to get in, but like, look at that. Final look of it. Well, somewhat. I think it's been like 4 months or so since I started doing this room, and finally it's kind of almost fully complete. And I'm gonna push it to the middle here. and it does feel good to finally, you know, release some of the burden in terms of like the production, because now when the room looks aesthetic, I don't have to really worry much about color grading or like the skin, just my skin just blending in with the background in terms of color. I think this whole room was meant to look this way so I can take nice product shots and like take nice you know, it's aesthetic lah, basically. That's the whole word, right? It's aesthetic. And it's cozy. I love to come back home. I always like to come home to my room. Especially in this COVID period when you're in your room a lot, doing some of these changes is actually pretty helpful for your mindset and pretty helpful for your mental health, because when there's some change, something looks fresher, something looks new, you just kind of have more energy to move forward. And this was the whole point. This is a whole new energy. It's a whole new year, and I wouldn't say it's a whole new beginning, but it's something like that. Thank you guys. Also, I do want to say thank you all for watching. I think I'm at about 700 plus subs now. It's taking a while. I know some of y'all be like, some channels do it in like 2-3 months they can hit 1K, but it's challenging, and I think I myself have to put in more effort into whatever that I'm doing. I mean, I think at the core of things, I just want to do what I like, and I just want to do what makes me happy and what makes the viewers happy as well. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. It's a huge help. I am aiming for 1K subs, 1K, right? And hopefully we can get there in 2 to 3 months. See y'all in the next one.